personally like the idea of full metal because, you know, the full implies it scopes all industries. And one of the reasons I think it's a great idea is not only is it entertaining and fun to watch for people, but it also has great industries that support it, you know, huge industries that support it. You look at all the automotive, all the motorcycle, all the manufacturing in this country, and there's huge amounts of you know, resources there and people that are interested, employees that are interested, and CEOs that are interested, and just anybody that's interested in those type of jobs and those type of fields. And, you know, so it's just, for me, it's interesting to see how the mechanism of this world works, you know, and how the mechanism of America works. And, you know, Fullmetal TV covers that.
Fullmetal TV is going to cover the broad spectrum of how metal is in everyday life. And I'm talking how mechanical pencils are made even. Not just putting the mechanical pencil together, but the machinery that it takes to build the mechanical pencil. That's where we're going. Because you know what? The world is soft without metal.
Now, what a lot of us humans don't realize is that we eat, we sleep, and we breathe metal. From the spoons that we put in our mouths, to the beds we sleep on, to the air tanks our grandmas are breathing out of. Metal is in our everyday lives. And on my new show, Full Metal, we're gonna take you to every single one of those industries. From these car shows where these guys literally do eat, sleep, and breathe metal, to building bridges, to jewelry makers. We'll even take you into the medical industry where we can show you how metal is used in our health. From the metal in my back, to wheelchair racers, to veterans that have come home and need a new set of titanium legs. Every day, we need metal to keep us happy, healthy, and to keep our society hanging. So why don't you come and join me and my boy Lou around the world and see how metal is in our everyday lives, fully.
A show like this that could really encompass all the world of metal, which is infinite. I mean, it's all over the place. Everywhere you look, everything is made with it. And there's just no shortage of topics. So it's easy just to say, well, there's so many topics. Which one are we going to do today? Jessi and Lou both know how to work with metal. They know about metal. They know this industry. I really look forward to being involved and adding any kind of expertise and, you know, help out any way that I can, because the show really, I think, could do well.
What's in a name? A name is really important. And we're gonna have something called the Official Hardware Challenge. And you're wondering, where's he going with this? It's real simple. The Official Hardware Challenge is gonna be where we take various tools, any kind of tools, and we're gonna put them to the test. We're gonna run these tools into the ground. And if it's worth a damn, we're gonna say it's good to go. If not, we're throwing it out the window because it's garbage. And that's going to be seen on the show that myself, Jessi Combs, and Brian Fuller are going to be starring in, called Fullmetal TV. That's right, Fullmetal TV.
The reason I like Industrial Depot is that, you know, they've been around a really long time, 35 years. And people that have been around 35 years understand fasteners, they understand hardware, they understand nuts and bolts. And when I call up and I need someone to, you know, understand that I need a 1/4 20, I need a 1/2 inch long, and I need 50 of them. And not give me some 2A, 4, 9, 3, 2, you know, long part number. That's not my part number, that's their part number. So I just 1/4 20 bolt, I need a 1/2 inch long, I need 50 of them, I need it as soon as possible. I need to get off the phone, I need to get some other things done. So I call them, they get what I need, it shows up at my door, that saves time, that saves money, and that's why I use them. All right, now here we are in my shop, and you can see we have a huge Industrial Depot cart. What's great about this, we have down to hose clamps, we have you know, regular hardware on one side, we have stainless on another side, we have lock fasteners over here. I mean, This thing is so complete, it takes me a while to tell you everything that's in it. Once again, we've talked about what differentiates Industrial Depot from other companies is their service. And one of the buzzwords that they use around the shop is lean manufacturing. Now, you know, any manufacturer is trying to be lean. And what it basically means is that you don't want to order more than you need, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of time doing it. So Industrial Depot, when you sign on as one of their customers, they'll help you get organized. You can see with my card, I mean, we have stainless fasteners here. We have regular hardware on one side. We have a full cabinet with a nice table you can work on. Now, if you look at my consumable cabinet over my shoulder here, we have our gloves, we have our Loctite. I mean, we have all the little things we need. My guys walk in there, like, oh, hey, look, we're out of that. So either scan it, call it in, email it in. It's very easy, it's very fast, it's efficient. In essence, it's lean, and that saves us time and that saves us money. Now again, as we said, service is such a huge part of what Industrial Depot can do, and one of their kind of features they have is they have a CNC shop in-house. Not only do they have stock bolts and most stock things that you can get, but if you need a special part, they can make you a special, you know, fixture, fastener. So sometimes we can call them up and say, hey man, we need a weird deal for our fixture of our motorcycle, or we're doing a front end, we need a special piece for that. We need some kind of random piece made. And it's nice because you're already on the phone with them. I'm already ordering some other pieces. So while you're ordering, you know, your stock bolts, your stock gloves, your stock, whatever that you use to manufacture your parts, you can also have them make you like a special part. No matter what it is, they can do it. And you don't have to send them full CAD drawings. If you're a small company, you need some small parts, draw it on a nice draw it on a napkin if that's what you need. I mean, they'll basically take anything, convert it into a CAD drawing, deliver you a special part, and as well, they can stock it for you. So while you're ordering your other stuff, you need it again, all you say, hey, I need that special part for my jig, I need 20 of them, cool, we'll get that to your door. Industrial Depot's special parts capabilities can really get you out of a fix when you need something special and you need it on time. Keeping with the lean manufacturing concept, we work on both cars and bikes here in our shop. So we have our cart that has all our fasteners in it, and we can move it right over to where the guy's working on it. So if he's here in the car, he can almost reach out, grab the bolt that he needs, put it back in. And if you have multiple of these, it's another kind of way that lean manufacturing helps, because no matter where your workers are, you want to make sure that they're close and they have everything they need. We have both cars and bikes here at our shop. So we have a cart that can roll over to a guy that's working on a car like this, more of a general cart that has all kinds of different fasteners, so you can grab just about anything. And we also have like dedicated areas. So we have a bike jig that we're building 5 frames of. Now, as we're building those 5 frames, they're dedicated, you know, specialty items that we have that we get from Industrial Depot. They have them categorized, they have them listed. Then as we need them refilled, we either scan it, we call it in, email it, and there they are, all dedicated. And Industrial Depot is great about helping you cater those services, cater those, you know, special things you have. Whatever you need, they're here to help customize your needs in the hardware department. It's it's a really handy service that they have. Bottom line, the Industrial Depot cart really helps save time by having everything the guy needs right next to him. And ultimately, that saves my business money.